Hey everyone, welcome back. If your internet keeps disconnecting frequently on your PC, like it drops every few minutes and reconnects again, yeah, that's super frustrating. But don't worry, in this full guide I'll show you how to fix it step by step in 2026. First, restart your router and your PC. It sounds basic, but it clears temporary network glitches that often cause random disconnections. Next, check your connection type. If you're using Ethernet, make sure the cable is not damaged. If you're on Wi-Fi, weak signal can cause frequent drops. Now forget your Wi-Fi network and reconnect again. This resets authentication issues that can cause disconnects. Windows sometimes turns off your network adapter to save power. So yeah, disable that setting to prevent drops. Outdated drivers are a common cause of unstable connections, so make sure your network drivers are updated. Next, change your DNS to something reliable like Google DNS or Cloudflare. This can improve stability. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off for testing. These can cause unstable connections or random drops. Windows has a built-in troubleshooter. It can sometimes detect and fix connection issues automatically. If the issue continues, do a full network reset. This clears all network configurations and starts fresh. Finally, if nothing works, the problem might be your router or internet provider. So yeah, testing another network can help confirm it. And that's it. Follow these steps and your internet should stop disconnecting frequently on Windows. Most of the time, it's just a simple fix.